morning. So we're here finally. The day has arrived. We're here heading to Star of the Seas, the biggest cruise ship there is. This is the third sail for the ship, and we're heading on board right now. It's Sunday, and it is getting crowded now in the morning. So we are getting into the terminal. We already dropped off our bags. I want to show you guys over here on the left, the bag drop off. What you do, what is a good hint if you rent a vehicle, come by first, drop your luggage off, and then go to the rental center, and then they'll bring you over. That way you don't have to bring any luggage. But we're heading in now. We have the express check-in. So we'll go onto the boat and show you around Star of the Seas. This is a check-in area over here. Yeah, we have the express check-in, which is on the left. All right, guys, so we're going into express check-in right now. This is a good thing to have. Look at it, nobody's here. All you need to check in is your sail pass with your room number and your passport. That's what you need to have in handy. And then you'll have your sail pass again in handy, just this on your phone, to go through these doors to get on the ship, Star of the Seas. Here it is, the ship we've been waiting for, Star of the Seas. Look how humongous it is. So you see those glass sliding doors up there, the window doors? Those are actually balcony. This is new for the ship. So it's inside your stateroom, and then you just pull it down halfway, and then you can be outside. So you can be inside, outside at the same time. And I'll show that to you because we have one of those. So the biggest ship here, guys, Star of the Seas. Check it out. That's the name right there on the bottom. Star of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Here we are in the Star of the Seas. I can already smell Starbucks. Good morning.
Hello guests, welcome aboard, welcome.
Wow, check out that staircase up there. So we're on the ship finally. 7-night cruise here. Check the balloons. The balloons are ready for the tonight show, midnight. Don't forget, guys, don't miss that. Midnight on these long sails, 5 nights and above. You have a midnight balloon drop on the first night. When you first enter the ship, you want to do your muster station check. The ship is not going to leave until everyone's checked in at their muster station. This is your safety check. So make sure you check it on your app. Your boarding pass will tell you where to go. So like this is C1, C2, I am B4. I just need to go in and check in at B4. So there's always towel station here. Just have to have your stateroom, pick your towels up and give them your room number and just drop it back off. So you don't no need to walk with your towels from home. There's also a bar. This is the lime and coconut bar. And a little steel pan here. Just some little stuff you can do while sipping on a drink. Downstairs here, I'm actually up right now on the 15th floor. So downstairs here, the 8th deck, where you can see this open area, it's the Central Park area. I love going there. It makes you feel like you're in Central Park. All of the plants that you're seeing is actually real. And they have a bar, they have some restaurants. Most of your specialty restaurants are on this floor, on this 8th floor here. Those are the ones you have to pay a fee, an extra charge for if you are interested in those. Our room is ready. It's 1 o'clock. They open up this door over here to let you know your room is ready. So let's go to my room. Let's check out our room. So this is our room. This looks like it's the bathroom. Oh, nice standing shower here. So that's good. Looks like this might be my closet area with my safe. I like to put my passport in there. Then they also have another closet area. They have some nice little baskets that's new. Maybe to put your underwear and stuff like that. Or shoes. Your TV. This is a big one. A nice little sitting area. So this is the room I was telling you, like an infinity pool. So you don't actually have like a closed-in balcony with a door. This is your balcony, so it'll stay cool. And then this glass you see in here, you can actually put it down. Check it out. And opens up to the outside, which is pretty cool. So this is new. This is the first time I'm seeing this, and this is Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas. And now you're out in the open, so you have your balcony. And then you have like your two little sitting area, nice sitting area you can still enjoy. So it makes the room look a little bigger. Let's put it back up just because it's hot and you want to keep your air condition in. So this is for your shade. So you can have your shade. So I'm not going to bring it all the way down, but this is your shade. So you can black out for the night and sleep. Let's go ahead and put it back up. So I was holding it down. You don't need to. It's just a click of the button. And then you have your curtains still to even close it off if you want to keep it private, almost like a sliding door. But that's your little sitting area there. There's your temperature controlled. So you can change your room to like morning, movie mode, evening mode, and sleep mode. So this controls your air conditioning for the room. So the features here on here is your lights as well. So you can control your light. So I can turn my light off. See how it dims? Let's put it back on. I just clicked it. There you go. Your light came back on. And also here on this little touch screen, you can do your blinds. So I click this once, and there you go. My blind is coming down. How cool is that? So we're up here at the juice bar. This is the 13th floor. You can find the spa on the 12th, 13th, or 14th floor, but the juice bar is actually on the 13th floor, where you can get your drink. You can have your fresh drinks here, make fresh for you. You can make your own, build your own. This is really refreshing and delicious. I try to have one of this at least once a day to boost the immune system. Really delicious juices. So this is my refreshing drink here. This is apple mint with ginger, and look how good this looks. Fresh blended drink here. This is on the 14th floor of Star of the Seas. So we're up here in the 16th floor, and this is a little adult area here. This is towards the front of the ship, and you have adult area. This is your little, it's guest 18 and over. So you have your hot tub here, and then you have a swim up bar. Pretty cool. This is one of the slides. I guess the green means you can go for it and just slide down into the pool. It's actually not into the pool, it just slides down just like a slide. Alright guys, so here we are, we're about to leave. We're ready to set sail here on Star of the Seas. Day 1, heading out to sea. So as you can see, we're actually leaving the port here to head out on a 7-night cruise here with Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas. We're heading out, lots of people here looking and watching the ship leave. Bon voyage. Heading out for a sail. We already have 2 cruise ships ahead of us.